Hi guys and girls, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Francis Philemon. So pretty much this YouTube channel is all about forex and where I analyze the markets, how I analyze the markets and the opportunities I'm looking at in the markets week in week out. I'm going to get to share that with you guys. So if you guys get any value, please hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section. And if there are any videos you guys would like me to make or to touch on in terms of forex, please leave a comment in the comment section. And without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So when I'm analyzing the markets, I pretty much always start my analysis on the weekly time frame. So I zoom out to have a look at what's happening. So gold is a pair that I'm already looking at. It's XAUUSD, gold against the US dollars, is what I'm looking at. I spotted an opportunity for next week, so I'm just gonna analyze this one with you guys and show you how I analyze the market. So pretty much I always start on the weekly time frame where I want to get a clear picture. I do this thing that I call multi time frame analysis, whereby you start from the higher time frame. From the monthly, you can start from the monthly. I prefer to start from the weekly, so you go from the weekly, and then I go to the daily, and then I go to the 4 hour, and then I go to the 1 hour. So pretty much in all these time frames, there's something I'm looking for. So on the weekly time frame, I pretty much start here to get my direction of the market, in which direction is the market going in. Is it a bullish market or is it a bearish market? So pretty much here, as I can see from the market, I see a bullish trend. We've got a bullish trend. It's a buying trend, so I start by putting in my trend line here. So as you can see, we're in a buying trend. So on the weekly, I come to get my my trend and my outer structures. So I can also start by putting my outer structure on price action. So here I've got this is a pattern that I recognize, or that we see as, it's called a descending channel. So after I get my structure and my direction, I move down to the daily time frame. So pretty much in the daily time frame, I look for my impulses and my corrections. So as I can see from here, so to some of you who do not know what an impulse and a correction is, an impulse is pretty much when price is moving in a certain direction with high momentum, and a correction is when price is just moving sideways with no real progression. So pretty much what I get from the corrections form patterns that let me know what's going to happen next in the market. But let's go on with the analysis. So here I've got an impulse and I've got a correction right here, price just moving sideways right here, and then we got another impulse, price moving sideways. Just gonna put in my analysis here what I'm looking at on gold. So got another impulse, then we've got this pattern here that's forming here to the upside, and then we got the impulse, and then we got price here was moving sideways. Just put that proper here. Got that there, and then price moved down, retested, moved down, moved back up, and then went to the downside here. And then from the daily time frame, I then move into the 4 hour time frame where I look for my patterns. So I go down to the 4 hour time frame to see what I'm looking for. Just move this to the upside, and you got this right here. So we've got this. Let me just get everything right to the wick here. Yeah, we got that right to the wick. So now I go to the recent price action for me to identify what's going on. So here I've recognized a pattern. So this one is called a falling wedge, which is also a reversal pattern that we look at. So we've got a falling wedge, so it's pretty much we have a pattern within a pattern, which gives this trade a higher probability of going to the upside. So you pretty much just stack the confluence in your favor. So here I've got a descending channel and I've got a descending channel, or also called falling wedge, in the same pattern, which is also a reversal pattern. So this is a reversal pattern, the bigger structure, and right here we've also got a descending within a descending, which gives the trade a higher probability. So pretty much what you do is pretty much you just stack the odds in your favor. So I also look at another thing called multi-touch confirmation. So from here, as you can see, we've got one at the bottom of the trend line, two, and we've got another third touch here, which even gives it a higher probability of this trade going back to the upside. So let me just remove these, come here, and then I continue my analysis. So I've got my pattern here, I've recognized it as a falling wedge here, which is a reversal pattern which is happening at the bottom of structure. Let's go there, and now I move to my 1 hour chart where I look for my entries. So let's just have a look at this. So here we've got the 1 hour chart, so I can pretty much just remove the trend line that was showing us our over direction, just to keep our chart clean, because it's just telling us if we're in a buy trend or in a selling one, to just tell us the direction of the market. So we come here, what do I see? I zoom into the recent price action because that's what we're looking at, and that's what gives us the most recent data and tells us what the market is going to do next. So here I put my structure around this, draw my structure there. So I got an impulse correction, so this correction tells me what's going to happen next in the market. So it's a continuation to the downside, so price can come to here or come to the bottom here. I want to see it preferably to the bottom here. So if price gets here, what I'm going to look for now, I'm just going to draw in my forecast of what I'll be looking for. When price gets to the bottom of this trend line, what I'll be looking for is a clear rejection and a push up, and the continuation pattern that I'll be looking for to take this trade to the upside. So here I can now put in my long position. So if you guys also want me to make a video on how to use TradingView, please leave a comment in the comment section. If you guys don't know how to use TradingView, please leave a comment in the comment section. So I get my long short position, I put it in here. So this one is for buy, so here I can get away with a 15 pip stop, and my first real target will be of course the beginning of the correction, which is right here, this, which gives me 3%, and this trade I'm actually looking to hold it to the upside, the beginning of this, what's this pattern, so which is up here for 13%. And if price breaks out of this, impulsively, I'll be looking to target, okay, let me just move to the higher time frame, to the 4 hour. I'll be looking to target these areas if price breaks out impulsively, so all the way to the upside. So this is a swing trade where you hold it for some days. But yeah guys, thank you guys for tuning in into my video. I hope you guys gained some value from this, and if you liked the video, please guys and girls, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button. It's been Francis Philemon signing out.